We're at our garage here waiting to get our motor for our Honda. So this is our engine that we're going to swap out of our Honda. This engine is locked up. 19,000 miles and never checked the oil. Eventually it's not going to work anymore.
He bought it and drove it for 8 months. Never once opened a hood.
We decided to get an engine, swap it out, mainly because this is a 5-speed, it's not an automatic, so we're really going to have a lot of fun driving this car around. That's the hope anyway. All right, hold on, man. We're going about this wrong way. I'm gonna see if I have one. It seems like the impact will take that right off there. But your batteries are probably all dead again, right?
I have no
It's a pretty safe bet.
Ouch. Man. Paper cuts hurt too, you know.
Oh my goodness, it works. That'll beat you to death. You got another extension? This is an extension / pry bar. Oh, you know what? The motor's falling. Probably put that back on there then. That's pretty neat. One at a time, one at a time. You can't take them both out. The motor will fall down. What's wrong with you? Man, can't teach you anything.
Oh, no.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, you gotta use this stuff. That's the gooder stuff right there.
Why do we never have WD-40? I probably own 50 cans of it. I almost dropped the engine out of the car. That's funny. That's funny. Just taking the bolts out, we'll just like nothing, just willy-nilly.
Clank.
Whoops. Too far. You need brakes.
You don't need them, but some states...
They're nice to have.
Some states, like the lower 48 that I know of, they require them.
Require? Only some of them have inspections. This state for sure requires them.
It's a requirement.
Going up. It's gonna be hard to steer without that too.
You look at that. You see that?
Uh-huh.
There's a hole in the bolt and there's no pin in it.
You know what? There's no pin on this one either. That's just dangerous.
It's crazy.
Holy crap. And I can see right there, they could have put a key in, no problem.
Crazy.
What are these extra carter pins for? I don't know. Throw them away. I mean, why put a carter pin in? It's just the steering. It doesn't mean it. Whatever.
They're not wore out.
It's not that important.
These struts have QR stickers on them. So that's probably what was changed.
Oh, yeah, they changed the struts and they didn't put those carters back.
That's
Just
crazy.
crazy, man. Dangerous. That's the kind of forgetting things that gets people killed,
hurt,
man.
yeah.
Whoops. What are these for? I don't know. Just throw them away. That'll buff right out, man. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
I think that when we put this back in, we put some carter keys through the...
I think we should at least put a nail or something there.
That's what I did. Put a nail in it, bend it over. It's all good. Grandpa, you know they make actual parts for that.
You gotta buy them? Yeah.
I got nails.
I got nails.
That one's saying no.
Is it showing you the bird?
It's funny too, because that's the side with the battery. I figured that'd be the worst one. You're just gonna be doing them all, aren't you? Oh, I take a break on that one.
Socket stayed there.
I did that by design, just taking a break. Trying not to push the car off to the left. That's why I was trying to push forward and back instead of side to side. I mean, if it falls, the project's over. Right?
I don't know. Then we'll do body work.
To your body. All right, one to go. That's not bad. I did too. You do too. That's fair, right?
Yeah, but I'm heavier than you.
That one was easier. That was probably the easiest one of them all. I purposely started there.
I said I'm heavier than you.
All right, so
It's that extra 50 pounds I got.
those right there, they say no bueno.
You haven't moved them yet?
This one wouldn't move, and this one just stripped around. That was
What size?
That was yesterday.
What size are
I
they?
think it was 10, if I remember correctly, which I don't always do. Take a look. Yeah, those are 10 all day long. Oh, here's that battery thing here. Broke right off.
Boy, there's a socket that hasn't been out of the toolbox yet. 1/2 inch drive, deep 10.
That's why would you have something like that?
It came with the kit.
So what you're gonna need is a hammer to drive that one on there. Oh, it's 11. Yeah, it must be 11. 17,
10.
11.
All day long.
Well, it's a lot of rust on there, so I was allowing for the rust, assuming that it would be a 10 with a bunch of rust on it, so it looked bigger.
You elaborated.
So it looked bigger. I assumed it was a 10. Turns out it was an 11. Whatever.
But it's not even an 11.
12. You'll get close one day. Oh, now I think about it, I think I may have put a 12 on there. It's all coming back to me now.
The fat guy waddles back and forth to the toolbox 3 times.
I'll get that for you. No one wants to see you bend over in that angle on that camera.
Oh, that one's stripped.
That's the one that was stripped. I knew there was one. I got the spring. It's right here. I got that. There's still in the. Because we might need the washer. No, not coming out of there. It's permanent. Okay. So do we want to get the 11 and try to gently maneuver it on that one there?
Massage it on there?
What we want to do? Which variety would you like?
This one? Yeah.
Perfect. Give it a little love tap. I'd hold it for you, but I don't trust you. Well, that was simple enough.
That's how you do it.
You didn't mean to do that at all.
Did.
Well, where are you going? Take your socket back here and break those 2 off in the back, and then we'll get this out, and then we'll just take
What?
back there.
I think I have the 11.
Well, what'd you do with the 12? You put it away? Because we
Right in front of you.
Is it on something?
No, I put it away right in front of you, remember? Oh, I was holding it. You said, blank space, blank space.
What did we just talk about? Like 2 minutes prior to that.
Don't put tools away, we're done using
End of the day, we'll put them all away.
No, we won't.
Well, we'll roll the cart over there and say that they're over there and they're out of the way. And then we'll pretend to ignore them until the end of the project, and then we'll put them all away-ish.
Ish.
You think we can get an impact up there? No. That just seems ridiculous.
Here, you want the light?
Nah, man, I'm just used to it. Rolling around in the dark, no purpose.
What do you call that at?
That's a
Chain
sway
member?
bar.
The
This
front piece that holds everything.
cradle, I don't know, motor mount.
That thingy,
This thingy-mabobber.
front geometry holder bob.
We'll go with that.
I don't know what it's actually called.
I'm sure there's a ton of people out there that'll let us know.
Probably.
Just go ahead and comment down there and you
That ought
got
to
2
get me in
morons.
trouble. That ought to get me in trouble.
Whatever. Bring the floor deck down, then I'll get down on this awesome floor here.
I figured that's why we'd use the Greenlee cabinet.
Just stop. Just.
Hey, I only get 1 or 2 good ideas a year.
Yeah, that's not one of them.
Oh, man.
Let's see what we got. Bring her up.
All right.
Let me move this blanket out of the way. We don't want to dent the concrete when the car falls. All right, go down a little bit.
Down? It's all the way down.
Go up a little bit. You know what I meant?
This way.
Yes. What was that? The lock.
This thing's European. Carpian.
I thought it was Japanese.
Nah, it's peeing.
Oh, that's what keeps doing it. This power steering pump keeps falling. Need a zip tie. Where did you say they were?
Third drawer down.
Speak.
Second. That's the second. Right there. Is there a blue one right there? Third drawer down. Up, 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 up. Don't make fun of my disabilities.
You're not disabled. You're just dumb. Well, I'm sorry. I should apologize to you. You're not dumb. You're no dumber than me anyway. Come on. See? I'm stupid too.
Get your fingers in there.
The problem is they're all covered in oil. Get this thing the hell out of this car. Too many starts and stops. Well, it's out. So, next video, we're gonna put it back in. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, we're gonna crack it in half first.
Well, I mean, we'll do all that in the next video, don't you think?
Well, I would rather do that and then put it back in.
All right.
All right, our first one. We've never taken Japanese engine out of anything, at least not front wheel drive anything.
That's technically not true. I did a Daihatsu 25 years ago.
Not front wheel drive.
But it was not front wheel drive.
That's a motorcycle.
And I also could just pick the engine up and throw it up on the workbench. But that's beside the point. That's beside the point.